Solve an equation of the form ax is equal to b. Student learning objectives. Multiplicative inverse. 2. Multiplication principle. 3. Solve an equation of the form ax is equal to b. Multiplicative inverse. For a real number b different from 0, the multiplicative inverse is 1 over b. For a real number 1 over b not equal to 0, the multiplicative inverse is b. Example, the multiplicative inverse of 11 is 1 over 11. The multiplicative inverse of 1 over 8 is 8. The product of a number with its multiplicative inverse is equal to 1. For example, 11 times 1 over 11 is equal to 1. And 1 over 8 times 8 is equal to 1. Multiplication principle. For any real numbers a, b, and c, where c is different from 0, if a is equal to b, then a times c is equal to b times c. Solve an equation of the form ax is equal to b. 1. The equation of the form ax is equal to b is solved when x is isolated on one side of the equal sign as x is equal to a constant. A constant means a number. 2. To solve an equation of the form ax is equal to b, use the multiplication principle to multiply both sides of the equation by the multiplicative inverse of the coefficient of x, which is a. So the multiplication principle stated that for any real numbers a, b, and c, but c does not equal to 0. If a is equal to b, then a times c is equal to b times c. So using this principle, we have ax is equal to b. We multiply both sides of the equal sign by the multiplicative principle of, by the multiplicative inverse of the number that is multiplied to the variable. In this case, is a. So the multiplicative inverse of a is 1 over a. So we multiply both sides of the equal sign by 1 over a. Doing so, the coefficient of x now becomes 1 instead of a. So x is equal to b times 1 over a is b over a. Let's solve. Example, 2x is equal to 4. So we multiply both sides of the equal sign by the multiplicative inverse of 2, which is 1 over 2. A number, when multiplied to its multiplicative inverse, it equals to 1. So we have 1x, we just write it as x, is equal to 4 times 1 over 2 is 4 over 2, which is equal to 2. So x is equal to 2. We can check. 2x is equal to 4. Replace x by 2. Equal to 4, question mark. 2 times 2 is 4, is equal to 4. It's an identity. Number 2, 1 over 3x is equal to 15. We have here multiply both sides of the equal sign by the multiplicative inverse of 1 over 3. That number is 3. So this becomes 1 times x is equal to 15 times 3 is 45. Again, we can go through the process of checking. X 1 over 3x is equal to 15. Replace x by 45. So 1 over 3 times 45. is equal to 15. We put question mark. So 45 times 1 over 3 is 45 over 3 is equal to question mark 15. 45 over 3 is 15. 15 is equal to 50. This is an identity that tells us x is equal to 45 is a solution. If needed, combine like terms before using the multiplicative, not additive, multiplicative property. Or the multiplication property. So here we have 2x minus 5x is equal to 21. 2x and 5x are like terms because they have the same variable with the same exponent. So we combine. So this here, 2 minus 5 is minus 3, and then just x follows. This is equal to 21. So using the multiplication property, or the multiplication principle, we multiply both sides of the equal sign by the multiplicative inverse of -3. Multiplicative inverse of -3 is -1 over 3. So times -3x is equal to 21 times -1 over 3. So this product is 1. 1 times x is equal to 21 times -1 over 3 is -21 over 3. So x is equal to -7. Now we can check 2x minus 5x is equal to 21. Replace x by -7. And we put question mark. -7 and -7. 2 times -7 is -14. And plus 35 is equal to 21, question mark. 35, -14 plus 35 is the same as 35 minus 14. So this here is equal to 21, is equal to 21. This is an identity. That means x equal to -7 is a solution.